So today I'm just going to show you guys how to do a star, a super bright star. Right here I'm just adding some titanium white and I'm dry brushing in a circle. Keep the paint light on the brush and just keep moving around in a circle till you get the desired effect. Now just take a hair dryer and dry it off. Make sure it's completely dry for the next step. Here I'm just using some painter's tape and putting it into the center of the star, trying to get the lines as thin as possible. You can make them thicker if you want and as long as you want. This is not too long, not too short. Take a dry brush again and just fill in the little area in between the tape. Once done, peel the tape off and you'll have a bright beam of light. Just dry off your paint again, make sure it's nice and dry before you add the next layer of tape. Again, adding more tape horizontally. You can add tape all different directions if you prefer. Right here I'm just doing like a cross. And again, fill in the lines, feather it out towards the ends, and then just peel off the tape and you'll have a bright star. You can use a toothbrush or a paintbrush and just flick some stars on using watered down titanium white. You can add smaller stars and bigger stars using an artist brush. Here I'm using Brilliant Blue Heavy Body Acrylics and Liquitex Gloss Medium. So you'll notice a little gloss when I put that on the canvas. If I use a matte medium, you might not notice that as much. So here I'm just mixing a little medium with some Brilliant Blue paint. Not too much, not too little, because I want to get a transparent glaze over the top. The more blue you add, the darker the blue will get. So you can always add if you want it a little more dark. So here you can see that the gloss paint kind of brightens up and causes like a little cloud effect in there, which is kind of nice. So here you can take some more titanium white on an artist brush and just touch up different areas, add more stars. You'll give a two-dimensional effect because you'll have the darker stars, the blue ones in the background, the white in the front, which is kind of cool.